Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous videos, we have been watching this big breakout from this down channel, and right now on the weekly time frame chart, Bitcoin is breaking out this weekly simple moving average 200. And the next few hours can be very important because this candlestick is about to close, and in today's video we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with this daily time frame chart. And we can see Bitcoin entered the channel here back in March 2022, and we have recently broken out this channel a few days back here on the 16th of July. And after breakout, you can see that Bitcoin is still moving up after some correction, and there is some certain level of rejection that Bitcoin has found during this uptrend. And you can see we have a rejection here, we have a rejection here, here, and here as well. And if I connect all these rejection points, and by the way, here it slightly worked as a support as well. Therefore, if I place this trend line from here up to the current candlestick, up to this recent rejection, then you can see so far this recent rejection is not confirmed. We are still moving at the resistance. But for example, if we will have another rejection, then this is our support for the newly formed up channel after breaking out this down channel. And this time, if it will move more down for the retest, then it can move down up to approximately $21,300, and from there it can start another reversal move. Now, if we take a look at the RSI and the price line, then we can see that RSI is so far not able to form another higher than previous high. Here, the value of RSI, you can, by the way, watch the value here. The value was 61.47, and here the value was 61.08, and right now it is moving at 60.45. And if we watch price line, then here we had this high at $24,280, and the next high recently that we had on this daily time frame was $24,676. So this high is higher than previous one, but RSI oscillator is failed in doing so. So there is a bearish divergence. Therefore, the rejection from this resistance of the channel is possible. But there is another support that can stop the price line to move more down in case of rejection to test the support of this channel, and that is the support of this weekly 200 simple moving average. Right now, the value of the 200 weekly simple moving average is $22,796, and you can see that price line is moving at $23,806. So we are above the 200 weekly simple moving average. And once we will have the closing above this 200 weekly simple moving average, then there will be a very high probability that we may move up to break the next key resistance of $28,600 that we have here, by the way, $28,600. Now, if I place another trend line here where we have the 200 weekly simple moving average at we have this moving average at 22,796, and switch to the 4-hour time frame chart. Here we have the value of the 200 weekly simple moving average. Then we can see that this level is breaking as a support and resistance, as a price support and resistance as well. Like recently we had several rejections, 1 and 2 rejections here, and here it worked as a support, and here it worked as a resistance, as a support. So in case we will have the rejection by this resistance, then this $22,796, that is the value of the 200 weekly simple moving average, can again provide a support for the price line. And in that situation, I'm expecting that even after this rejection, we will not test the support of the channel, and we will test the support. And from here we can expect another reversal move. Now, if we switch back to the weekly time frame chart and take a look at this stochastic, then there is a big bullish divergence here. Like here we had this low, another low by the price line was here. And if we want the stochastic, then here it formed this low, and the next low is higher than previous one, you can see. So there is a quite obvious bullish divergence. Therefore, there is a very high probability that we may break out this 200 simple moving average, and then we can also break out the resistance of this channel as well. And if we take a look at the target for this channel, that will be for example, if we will break out from here, that will be approximately at $28,500. That is very close to this next key resistance of $28,600. And after breaking out this level, it can again work as a strong support, like it has been working as strong support here, here, and here as well. And after breaking out, it will again flip into a strong support. Now the next few hours can be game changing for Bitcoin. After breaking out this 200 weekly simple moving average, we can expect massive developments on the Bitcoin chart. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.